Okay, this command is called this reversal command, sell reversal, or buy reversal. There's several ways to pursue using this command. Some people look for the breakout type of trades. For instance, right here we have a breakout, we had a bounce right around here. Okay, in the market engulfed and swung upwards. And again, because it came down so quick and reversed so quick, there's something that we should know about this price. If we used a buy reversal command right here, you can either adjust it, refer to the manual. There could be several ways to pursue it. You can use the touch of the line, the engulfing candlestick pattern, things of that nature. Again, depending on how you want to trade it. If it gets so large of a candle, you may not want to place a trade. Things that you can really just adjust it to the way you want to trade it. But typically, there's the breakout type of trade where a break, support, and resistance. Right here it will support, and then broke, and then here's your continuation type of trade. Also, some people like to trade trendline breaks like this. We have 2 points of respect. Sometimes there's going to be different scenarios where you have 3 points, but the close of this candle would have been your entry point, or the break of this support level again, trading back towards this origination of this trend line. Again, it doesn't have to come to the origination point. There's ways to protect your positions and things of that nature. But let's talk about the buy and sell reversal command. So typically, when there's a breakout, now it doesn't have to, but typically there's a retest. So the market broke out here and made an attempt to retest, and then lost momentum and then swung downwards. In this case scenario, here's support, broke downwards, and here, like in this area, this is somewhere where I wouldn't be in front of my computer. This would be a good area here. You can see it was resistance back here, back in right around this area. So right around this area, you could have a sell reversal command. And simply, when you have a sell reversal, you're wanting it to pull back, and either there's different ways you can have it. You can have it either be a touch of the line, or specifically a reclose of the candle beyond the price and entering the trade. Right here, it kind of got in a little bit later because my line was down a little bit lower before. So anyways, this would be a great sell reversal type of situation. You could now break even, readjust your stop loss to +1, and let the trade run its course, so eliminating risk. Let's look at another pair that we've actually looked at, the euro dollar here. Like I said, there's ways to pursue it. Resistance typically turns into support. So when it came up, here's your resistance, came down, came up to again, rejected, and then here we had a breakout. We were broken up. We kind of created this double top scenario, and because it broke out, typically, depending on the situation, either breaks out, comes back and retests, and then kicks off, or in the future, like I said before, you can either, this would be the buy reversal command that you would use when it was up in this area, where the market comes back to that general price range, either a touch of the line. Make sure you include the spread. Also, depending on how you want to pursue it, you can have it be the engulfing candlestick pattern. Again, refer to the FAQ, or the frequently asked questions section, and it will give you more details of how to use this command. If your command is not working, maybe you have to make sure that you put your key in, maybe reset the authentication, make sure you have internet connection, as well as you could use the strategy tester. And when you use the strategy tester, use the commands, see how it's operating, and test it out first. If you have any questions, send your logs with a screenshot. We can go into more details of exactly why your broker's not filling your trade in. It doesn't matter if it's demo or live, but make sure you trade it on demo first, and then once you get good at it, then again you want to make sure your risk management's in check and trade it on live to make money. And then also again, there's ways to pursue it. You can look at your trades, look back in your history, see how it's reacting, see how well you're doing, as well as making sure that you really just keep your trades into a point system. And then like I said, there's other ways to test it, like you can look at it on a 15-minute chart these principles and concepts can work on any time frame, any account size. But if I want to change it to the 1 hour time frame, I have to right click on the smiley face, go to properties, and I can load or save a setting specifically for the 1 hour standpoint. So now I'm going to switch over to the 1 hour chart. This was a trade opportunity that I used the buy reversal command. Again, you have to project the future, meaning that you're looking for reasons to enter the market, because there's things that you may not know in the future. Here's your support. This would be a breakout trade situation. But if you miss that, if you want a better price range, then you can have your sell reversal. In this case scenario, you're looking for a retest, and then you can have sell close SL as your stop loss, or you can just specifically put another line saying this would be my stop loss, and just simply put sell SL. Okay, but now let's say that we're projecting the future and it breaks support, your breakout trade. I missed it and I wasn't able to take that trade, but you know that this is good support. It's going to possibly, okay, you can't guarantee, but possibly be a good resistance. Here's your resistance. My target from this point on will probably be the previous low as my take profit. My stop loss is either above the swing high or a reclose of the break of this high. So it'll probably enter you in the trade right around this area here. Okay, like I said, test it out first and then see how it's working for you. Then again, here this market punched down even further than expected and create another support and resistance level. So right here would be your entry point. Your stop loss was right here, which is 48 points, and you took profit right around 88 points. Or making sure that you have a 2-to-1 ratio. So this would be a great example of a sell reversal command type of setup that you look for. Again, right here on the flip side of things, when the market surpassed this and hit your target, here's your resistance, here's your breakout, immediate type of retest, and then your kickoff. You can see it broke out again, retested, again a buy reversal, excuse me. In this case scenario, this would be buy reversal, and then again just continue the upward swing. Here we look like we had a resistance here, and this case scenario might have not got you in because it didn't really touch it or engulf off of it. It's just kind of meandering right now. So that just gives you a little bit of ideas about the bounce trade and how to utilize it.